Welcome to the channel. I am going to work on the Fairlane again today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out the valve covers for stock valve covers. So one thing I don't like about the chrome ones, one, they're rusty, but they're rusty inside, but two, they don't have the little tabs to mount the, what do you call it, holders for the spark plug wires. So but yeah, that's kind of the goal, so sit back and watch. So if you look at my previous videos, you'll see that I had oil issues on some of my valves or rocker arms. Well, after flushing it with kerosene and kind of doing whatever I could with it, it looks like everything has kind of everything's oiling correctly now. However, I still think there's some gunk still built up in here, so not sure if I'll do anything with that. Doesn't look like anything's going on as far as anything major, just kind of sitting on there, but I may scrape some off, we'll see. But it looks like everything's oiling properly. And the last time I had issues was like, I think up front was oil, it wasn't oiling, but everything looks like it's oiling just where it should be, so I'm pretty happy about that. Anyway, I'm just gonna reuse the old gaskets. Somebody put these new gaskets on before. They were new gaskets, but somebody put them on way before I got the car, so they weren't too bad, and they haven't leaked, so I'm just going to continue to use them. They'll probably leak now, typical, but it's whatever. Anyway, so that's one side. Just sit back and watch. I'll get the other side. There they are, all mounted in there. Hopefully those gaskets don't leak. But yeah, they look way better than those chrome ones. And this one even says auto light on the cap. So I gotta get a new, guess this snapped, so I gotta go find another one of those. But yeah, I'm pretty happy the way they turned out. They brighten up the engine because they're the only thing bright in the engine, which I think is kind of funny. May actually do this blue, but we'll see. I'm not too concerned about it right now. So yeah, until next time.